Yummy. Add your orzo pasta and mix. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Evkama here, and to those who are new, please welcome. And to all my viewers and to all my supporters all over the world, thank you to all of you. Today we are making another delicious and super easy recipe to follow. It is an orzo pasta vegetable stir fry recipe, and the ingredients are half of an onion, garlic, table salt, soy sauce, freshly ground black pepper, sesame oil, olive oil, chicken broth mix, black olives, 1 large red bell pepper, 1 medium zucchini, 2 small heads of broccoli, 12 cups of water, cold or warm, and orzo pasta. Many of you may not be familiar how these pasta looks like. They are similar to rice. Once they're cooked, they will expand a little bit. So we are going to cook these orzo pasta first. So let's get started and follow along. Begin with high heat. Lid on. Bring to a boil. And we can do some little dancing while we are preparing the rest of our ingredients. The water is boiled now, so we are adding the orzo pasta in, all of them. Yippee! Uncover, cook for 8 minutes. Add a tablespoon of table salt into your orzo pasta while it's cooking. It gives more flavor. Our orzo pasta are cooked. Take all the pasta out or drain them in the sink. It's up to you. Yummy menu coming up. They look like these when they're cooked. They are very similar to rice, don't they? Just look at them. The grains. So now we are ready to complete our recipe. So keep on watching and follow along. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's all you need. Garlic. Add the broccoli. You don't need to cook these vegetables too long, otherwise they are not going to be crunchy. Cook just about a minute. red bell pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, yummy. Add your Orzo pasta and mix. You don't need to add water at all. Don't you just love that sizzling sounds? My goodness. Yummy. You can't go wrong trying this at home. It is so delicious. If you have not tried Orzo pasta, you should try them at home. It is economical. It's not expensive to cook this recipe. We are adding just a teaspoon of chicken broth mix. Or you can add more. It's up to your taste buds. Freshly ground black pepper. Turn the heat off. We are done. It's that easy. And add your black olives to add color and taste to your stir fry. There you go. Delicious, and it smells so good. Set aside. Don't overcook your vegetables. The best part is serving and tasting the food I cooked. So we are going to serve on 2 plates. You may add freshly squeezed lemon juice into your Orzo pasta stir fry recipe. I love the olives in this recipe. Yum. Look at that. Yummy. And freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Until my next upload, I'll see you soon. Cheers to good health, happiness, and success. I love you all. Thank you so much. I hope you all learned something good today. You should try them at home. It is so delicious. Thank you so much.